Hello friends, today we'll be discussing Walmart. Walmart is the largest retail chain in the world, known for offering popular products at low prices in its centers. The company operates under brands like Walmart, Sam's Club, and the Great Value brand, as well as internet businesses. Since 2000, Walmart has expanded its network from 9 to 24 countries by 2023. Let's move on to the company's financial indicators. We can see that the company's revenue is steadily increasing, though net profit fluctuates from time to time. Walmart has assets that significantly outweigh its liabilities, and it consistently buys back its shares in large volumes. My final rating for this company is 10 out of 10. Walmart has a simple and understandable strategy that has helped it become the largest player in its sector. This strategy revolves around its ability, due to its size, to purchase large volumes of goods from companies at wholesale prices, giving it a competitive edge over smaller competitors. I believe there is no exporter who wouldn't want to offer Walmart significant discounts to sell large batches of goods that will end up on Walmart's shelves. The company invests in acquiring or developing its own brands, which not only occupy shelves as cheap products but actually have a competitive advantage in terms of quality and availability. These brands require minimal advertising as foot traffic into the stores serves as free advertising. With its infrastructure and facilities, Walmart is poised to capture a significant share of e-commerce. It has storage space for goods, the ability to handle returns, reliable supply from partners, ensuring quality and affordability. The company has the funds to invest in these projects, guaranteeing success in this sector in the future. Honestly, it's difficult for me to find significant negatives about this company. It's almost perfect. For example, the company has issues with expired products, but it can categorize them as operational expenses or donate them to charities, thus not losing money. Walmart faces significant competitors like Costco, but it also has Sam's Club, which operates similarly, giving Walmart an advantage. Due to its income and supplier relationships, I believe the company has competitive advantages in international markets for further expansion. The company has tremendous potential for business growth. I will definitely add shares of this company to my portfolio and will own approximately 5% of the shares. As for the current stock price, it's around $60 per share. Its PE ratio of 31 may not seem like a good buy, but I don't foresee a decrease in the stock price in the near future due to inflation, which will drive up prices in smaller retail stores, while Walmart has plenty of stock at older prices. People are getting poorer every day, and to save money, they'll shop at Walmart, allowing it to capture market share from its smaller competitors. So, I'll overpay for this company, but I'll buy it at these prices, knowing it's the best company in my portfolio. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel to not miss my future videos.